Hey folks, James from Bommer here with another feature video, and today we're going to be talking about thumbnails within the Bommer for SOLIDWORKS application. So, let's begin. So as you can see here, if you take a look at the live view, you can now see that there are some thumbnails within. Now, one of the features that we've implemented for specifically thumbnails is if you expand the column, you can actually see that it scales with it. Let's move this back to something more reasonable. Now, after a fresh update, it may not seem clear where these are located, but let me show you how to add them. If you go to Settings, Add Custom Property, Built-in, I'm going to place this in the General category, name it Thumbnail. Now I select the built-in property Thumbnail, which will be at the bottom, and there you go. Now for this particular case, I'm going to switch the order to 2. What this will do is it'll change the order in which it appears when you click on All Properties view. Hit OK, confirm that it is there, and I hit Save. I close this, easy as that. After a quick refresh, I hit All Properties and I can see that the thumbnails are there. Now, let's say you want to edit this in your custom view, like Basic Bomb. I go to Edit Views, Add Thumbnails, move it up to where I need it. Maybe not quite that high in the priority. Perfect, second is fine. I hit Save, I hit Close and Select View, and boom, we have thumbnails. Last thing is how to export. Now I'm going to show you something really cool first. Let me expand the thumbnail to something ridiculous, and then we're going to export our bomb. And as you'll be able to see here, the particular column in Excel for thumbnails reflects what is visible within Bommer for SOLIDWORKS. Now, any of your property columns that you expand will maintain the size dimensions, which is something that we implemented this batch. Well folks, that's everything I have for you today. As always, I'll include some useful links in the description down below. But go check out the other content on the channel, hit the like, hit the subscribe button to be kept up to date with all other Bommer news. And as always, have an awesome day.